The Chromebook program in Gwinnett County gives students and teachers access to a wealth of digital educational resources both in the classroom and at home. But with over 180,000 students and over 200,000 Chromebooks, it's a massive program with significant operational challenges. IT teams must coordinate repairs and replacements, track every device's status and location, manage spare inventory efficiently, and balance Chromebook support with other IT priorities. Students can't learn if their device isn't working. Delays in repairs can disrupt learning, while inventory costs and IT workloads quickly add up.
We may try for a half hour or 2 days to fix it, and if we can't, it goes in the trash can, you get a new device.
That's where Stratix comes in. With over 40 years of experience managing millions of devices for some of the world's largest companies, we put that know-how to work designing a full-service Chromebook lifecycle program. Broken Chromebooks are collected from schools and brought to Stratix's repair facility. Then our certified technicians repair hundreds of devices a day using OEM-approved parts. Throughout the process, administrators get real-time insight into repair statuses, spare pools, and device locations in Stratix's proprietary iTrack 360 platform. Once repaired, the laptops are then cleaned and returned to the schools, ready to be used by students who need them. Not only has it improved the Chromebook program, it's saved the district millions.
You've helped two ways. The first way you've helped is the time that a student or an employee doesn't have their device has gone from 2 weeks to 3 days max. Can't learn if you don't have a device. I mean, so the biggest thing is the time not having a device. Second biggest thing is expense. I mean, we do the math at GCPS, and it's cheaper for us, a lot cheaper. We would say, again, we are large, so everybody's not going to save millions of dollars, but we're saving millions of dollars by not having inventory and employees and outsourcing it to y'all at, we think, super competitive prices.
The results speak for themselves. Repairs are done faster, devices get fixed the first time, costs are down, and device longevity is up. Stratix believes that nothing empowers individuals and lifts communities like the advantages of a good education. So we're proud of the way we've helped Gwinnett County Schools manage and improve its Chromebook program. To learn more, visit stratixcorp.com/education.